So guys, mommy not reach first, she just reach like 1, 2, 3 rows. She just reach 3 rows. She not got anyone light tonight. But what I'm gonna do right now, I'm gonna show you how I prepare my muffin. Oh, I said muffins, cupcakes. So I'm gonna show you how I do them, then I'm gonna show you how I do the icing. So let's go. Ready? So guys, as you can see, I have my wooden spoon and my mommy. I'm doing the video. So guys, we have the wooden spoon and the pot. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put in the vanilla. Yeah, this is vanilla white cake mix. So but you want to do the chocolate, but the vanilla one is more firmer. It stand up more better. So So yes guys, I'm gonna just use the margarine and do it. You know, so it don't stick. Because one time I do it, I'm gonna put it in the, what you call them, the pancake cup them or something. Then they stick till it couldn't come out. So when I use the butter, it's not gonna stick.
Make that money, throw it in. Booty bouncing, go ahead. Rolls Royce, Lamborghini, Blue Medina, always beaming. Rag top, chrome pipes, blue light.
Alright, so guys, as you can see, I have finished grease my pan. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just wash my hands and then I'm gonna put them in and I'm gonna preheat the oven. Yes, I'm gonna preheat the oven. Then I'm gonna put them in and then we're gonna see what's gonna happen. So yes guys, I do this something there already. I'm gonna just throw them in. I'm not gonna fool them, I'm not gonna fool them.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, face yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
Alright guys, so see them there, 12. So they finally come through, so 12 muffin. So I'm gonna put them in the oven and give them time to do. So put them in now. So see them there guys, go in. So let's see how long it takes. Alright guys, so I'm gonna put in some shortening with the icing. So yes guys, me finished do it. It took a long time, so I just stopped the video. So I started back. When you see some black something in there, don't fret. I just show. Last time I would use the shortening if you put it on the fruit cake, the black something and get it on it. So don't say no dirt or anything. So yes, this set. So I could put it down when the cupcake them do, and then they cool down and everything. I'm gonna put them on there and see how them look. So yeah, so just go on, like, share, subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend. So yeah, so yes guys, I'm gonna take them out there. They let them burn, but I'm gonna show you how them look. So them come out, they was supposed to stay for 10 minutes, but it got overdue and stay for 20 minutes, but it don't burn. As I say, it just have a nice brown color. So I'm gonna put them on one plate and show you how I'm icing them. Yes. I can't believe I did it. So, as you can see, I use the icing. Green icing. Green. See the green icing music light. One bag in this. Okay. I think I did a good job. You know? 13-year-old, no degree in cake decorating. I did a good job. So, make sure you want to make with CR. Alright, see the now guys. Me put that look around the fall outside. Open again here. So CR, Chrissy and Riri. So if you are new to this channel, please like, subscribe and share. CR gang, yes. So so I want you guys to like, share and subscribe. Turn on your post notification bell so when we get when we drop a video you guys get a notification. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna make mommy test it. So let's go. Alright mommy, so how do you feel that I baked 12 cupcakes?
Are good. Yeah.
Alright guys, now watch mommy eyes them. She really sleepy because Canada gave her a hard time last night. So mommy is going to rate my cupcake. As you can see, she's going to eat the one that marks C. By the way, C, me make one C and R one for you, Chrissy and Mary.
No, a C and R gang. Gang.
Alright, come, so she go. Oh, it is.
Wait, no. I'm gonna move this. So just put me on. But yeah.
Yeah. Alright. We are eating sauce icing. Eating one like cake.
Yeah, this is go around with icing. Nice guys.
Alright, so what's your rating out of 10?
Well, I give her 1 out of 10 guys because she should have stop it at the time when that's why you get them, you know? Like a burn.
Oh, but you not taste the burn.
Next time she will do better.
Yeah, but I just representation me lose that one day. So show them. So see it there. Yeah, it's
but
sponge
you don't
metal,
taste
so.
don't taste the burn, guys.
So guys, my big brother got taste it. So I'm my big brother. He helped me with this. So I create that one there specially for him. E kind of start with E. I'm not gonna tell me what name. So you got taste it and tell me how much you rate it out of. You can't just bite it something out.
What's your out of
Rate it out of 10. Oh, it is.
Yeah.
Why you say 8?
I'm going
Yeah, right. So yes guys. So see it there? I got taste it and I'm gonna rate it because guys I don't know me taste it. The only thing me taste are just the something them, the ice thing off of my finger. So you see this one, me didn't want to do all of them like this, but it would have taken too much ice nail. This is just one little pattern. Right. This is a heart. Might eat that one here. This look nice. Me just proud of myself right now. So if you want one, comment down below and say send me some. Okay? Yes.
You the brown shirt.
Yes, so you in the brown shirt. You want that one here? So this one, I specially made this one for you guys. Because you guys have gave me all the love. Thank you for all the subscribers. And everything. So, yeah, mega show no. Mega taste it. So, alright, so guys, I'm going to eat this one. To show all my family members. But I appreciate you guys. It's a hard one. So, first time I got to taste it. So, let's go. Wow. It tastes alright. Then you know taste it burn for sure. Then the icing just blending in with it. 10 out of 10, because you know what I'm going to do with it. So
Self-preservation.
nice. Yeah. So now I go end of this video. Then I'm gonna eat about 20 of them. I joke, I only 12 me though. I will not eat too much tonight. So I want to say thank you for watching this video. I'm gonna finish up my ear. Thank you for watching this video. Please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, comment down below what you think of this video. Go follow me at Brie_Brie exclusive. Follow mommy at @_body Chrissy. Follow Bunny at I am Chef Enrique on Instagram. So have a good night. Have a good night. Have a good morning. Have a good night. Have a good morning. Anywhere, you know, anytime when I watch this, just have a good day. And remember to go over to Jamaican Vlogs. They have a lot of Jamaican content that you guys need to see. So, good night, good morning, whatever. I'm out.
Razor blade style.